Hey, it's Jared from Impact 90, and today we are going to be looking at a basic page settings. Okay, let's get started. So, in this video, we're going to look at basic page settings. I wanted to actually get more into the basic page, um, how essentially you can add photos, add text, and really kind of start to build out the elements of an individual page and really how, get really into the website development as it is. But I think importantly, first, we're going to focus on the basic page settings. So we're going to click here. This is the gear icon, general. So we have the basic page, or the title of the basic page updated, whatever you have typed here. So we'll write basic page nav for navigation, and then we'll hit save. Whatever you have there is what is going to show up here on your menu in the pages section, as well as it's what people are going to see. So there it is, basic page nav. Um, so that's important to change. And whenever you change it here, if I change it, we're going to change it back to updated. It will also show in the settings. So when I go back into the settings, there it is, basic page updated. This is the URL slug. So if it's your website.com/basic page, it will take you to this individual page. The next feature we have here is the enable feature. So when you're editing, if you're going to be editing something, adding photos, adding text, saving, coming in and out, you don't want people to see a partially designed page, you would just hit the disable. So now this, disabled pages can't be accessed by your visitors. So if anyone comes to your website, they won't even see the page. It won't even be an option. So in the folder up here, in the drop-down folder, it wouldn't even be an option. But when you enable it, all of a sudden it's an option. Maybe you want to share, maybe you developed a new page and you want to share it with some people to get some feedback. Sometimes they'll do this with clients, and you want an individual page to have a password, not just the website. The website as a whole can have a password, but if you want an individual page to have a password, this is where you would enter it. So we'll go down. You can also hit duplicate page. When you duplicate page, we'll just do that. You click duplicate page. Are you sure you want to do that? Yep. It always is going to populate down here in the not linked section. So there you go. There is a duplicate of your basic page. So we're going to hit delete and we'll hit confirm. Another little thing, if you end up doing that, I can hit this delete, I'll hit cancel. But if you end up hitting the delete and then you delete it, don't freak out. It's going to be down here into your deleted pages. So you have to go through and manually delete this. There it is, basic page updated copy. The delete pages is kind of like a way to keep this clean, keep it only with stuff that you're using actively. And it also is a fail-safe in case you accidentally delete something. So let's go back up to our basic page and go back to the settings via the gear icon. And we will go down, page description, optional. I never do this. Some people do. But yeah, duplicate page, we just went through that. And set as homepage. We can hit set as homepage, and then that will be the homepage for the website. So when people come to, yourwebsite.com, whatever your website name is.com, it will go right to this particular page. SEO and social image, I'm really not going to talk about because these things for SEO and social image populate as a whole for your entire website. And in another video, I'll get more into SEO and the social image. Social image is when you share. So if I text you, mywebsite.com in a text, it will say mywebsite.com, and then it'll have an image. Maybe it'll be a picture of me because it's a blog, or a picture of my company's product because I sell t-shirts, or a picture of a house because I'm a real estate agent or a construction builder. But these things populate as a whole on a website level. And when you want to get more granular, yes, you can add in certain SEO things here, but on I would say generally the website populates that as a whole for the entire website, and it's normally pretty good. If you're going to work with someone who's specific about SEO and that's their niche, they may want to get in here. Similarly for advanced is only for the commerce and business plans. It's a premium feature, and most of my clients have basic plans, and that's really all you need. When you're going to sell a product, then you're definitely going to want to upgrade. So the SEO, social image, and advanced, I'm not going to talk about too much. However, the media I am. The media is a very interesting one. This is where you can add an image or a video. And if you just have a basic page, as we currently have, is the basic page updated, and there's nothing on the page, I'm going to hit remove image, and I add an image. So this is stock images by Unsplash. All Squarespace accounts have access to this stock image vault, which is great. And I add an image. So we're adding an image to a basic page. And remember, we haven't added any text or anything to the body of the page. Um, Once this comes up and I'm going to hit save, this will automatically be the banner image now on my on the basic page. Okay, so there it is. Now it's the banner image, that water image. However, if you have a basic page and there's nothing on it, as you can see, the page is empty, and you add through the gear icon and through the media section, and you add an image in the index section, what happens is you are given a screen wide image, and that's what this is. So it says image. So I guarantee if we go into the image and we hit the gear icon, right? Remember that index sections are made up of individual basic pages. So we're just going to a basic page that they've titled image. And we go into the media section, we will see this image. And there it is of this woman. Okay, so we'll close that out. And we'll go back here. So we'll go back to the basic page updated. And we'll just leave this image here for the time being. And we'll go to the basic page updated. And we'll leave that up there as the banner image. And in the next video, we're going to get into now adding in building blocks so that it no longer says this page is empty. So that's all we're going to do for this. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks.